G'day. Now that I've almost finished the Porsche, I'll get on to this one here, which is a Triang Scalextric MMC 56 Lister Jaguar. This particular one is an E1 with the lights, but it's very difficult to get the front bulb holders. So this rubber thing here, it's missing one. There should be another one here, and the bulbs. So I don't know whether I'll have any success with that, but it quite obviously needs a front axle, and I will be hand making the axle. I will have to cut down an C54 axle, and once again I will get a set of spacers that will suit the axle for this car, but the offcuts would be the same size for the MMC 60 and the MMC 61. But I already jumped onto Mark scale models, trying to get four wheels, even possibly I would have bought 6 wheels so I could replace, because these have the gold accent to them, so I could have replaced, put 4 wheels on here, handmade an axle, and made another axle for a MMC 61, but the website only had 2 wheels for sale. There's plenty of wheels on eBay, but only 2 wheels on the website, so I've only bought 2 wheels. A bit tired of paying all the extra money for eBay with the extra shipping, extra purchase costs, and then having tax lumped on top of that. So, and now we have to do the most important thing when restoring slot cars, and that's wait for the wheels to turn up. So that's what we'll be doing, and I'll see you in the next video.